guys, today we're unboxing another 3D printer. This is the Vinchi Mini W+. It has a build volume of 15 by 15 by 15 centimeters, so it's not quite big, and as the title says, it's a mini 3D printer. So let's see what's inside. We ordered it a couple of days ago and it arrived quite quick. Let's see. We have what is this, warranty card, quick guide in color with all the stuff that you need to actually start printing. The same thing in a few different languages, if you're not familiar with English. This should be some, I guess, for the extruder, a tube for the extruder, and a sticker, I guess, for the plate. This is the power supply, quite small. Some aluminum thing, I don't know what that's for. Some cleaning brushes and stuff. Just put it here. USB cables, so you can actually connect the printer to your computer. A tool to take your prints off the printer. I guess this is a spare part for the extruder, and a couple of power cables for UK and Europe, and that's it on the top. Let's see. Okay, all this stuff sits here. Let's take this out, and then we have, oh, nice, small spool of green filament. I guess this should be PLA. The description of the product says this should be 300 grams. And there's one more. Let's see what this is. This is the extruder with the nozzle. And just put it like this. And clean up a little bit so I have some space to work. The printer. Nothing else in the box, so we take it out, and this is the printer. It says remove all 4 clips, so I have some clips to remove, but I'll do that a bit later when I start setting up printing. Until then, let's take a look. So this one is made by XYZ printing. So take this out. The other printer we have is the Anet A8 and it has 22 centimeters square build plate, so it's like 50% bigger. But this one is pre-assembled, and it's just a finished product. That's it for now, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. We'll be happy to reply. Thank you very much. Bye.